everyone. Let us see the next example. Evaluate the following. Cube root of 0.027 upon 0.008 divided by square root of 0.09 upon 0.04 minus 1. So here this can be written as cube root of 0.027 upon cube root of 0.008 divided by square root of 0.09 upon square root of 0.04 minus 1 using the formula cube root of a by b equal to cube root a upon cube root b based on that one. So here cube root of 27 upon 1000 by cube root of 8 upon 1000 divided by square root of 9 upon 100 divided by square root of 4 upon 100 minus 1. So here cube root 27 upon cube root 1000 divided by cube root 8 upon cube root 1000 divided by square root of 9 by square root of 100 by square root 4 by square root 100 minus 1. This one, cube root of 27 is nothing but 3 upon 10 divided by 2 upon 10 divided by 3 upon 10 by 2 upon 10 minus 1. 3 by 10 into here 10 by 2 reciprocal divided by 3 by 10 into 10 by 2 minus 1. 10 gets cancelled. 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 is 1 minus 1. Its value is 0. In the same manner, this sum once you see, cube root of 1000 can be written as directly 10 plus cube root of 8 by 1000 minus cube root of 125 by 1000. Remove the less one and write in a fraction form. 10 plus cube root of 8 upon cube root of 1000 minus cube root of 125 upon cube root of 1000. 10 plus cube root of 8 is 2 by 10 minus 5 by 10. So here what can we write there? 10. 2 by 10 can be written as 0.2 minus 0.5. So here 10.2 minus 0.5. 12 minus 5 is 7. This is 9.7. Answer is 9.7.